Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you where to find the Groupon redemption code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find the Groupon redemption code, the first step is to log into Groupon. Simply head over and open up the Groupon application or you open Groupon on your website and then simply sign into your account. Then once signed in, what you need to do is tap on the My Stuff icon on the bottom right corner of the screen or tap on your profile icon on your website on the top right. Then once inside, what you need to do is select My Groupons option. Then once you're inside My Groupons or My Purchases, you will see all the deals you bought. Simply click the deal or tap the deal you want to use. Then next step is to open the voucher by simply clicking on the View Voucher or View Details. Here you'll find one of the following like redemption code or promo code, which is a mix of letters and numbers, barcode or QR code, which is for the in-store use, and a redeem online button by clicking it reveals or applies the code. Also check your email. Groupon usually sends the code in the purchase confirmation email as well. And does the Groupon redemption code really work? Yes, if used correctly, the code works 100% when the voucher is not expired, the deal is unused. You follow the redemption instructions and you use it on the correct website or at the correct store. How the code is used: so in the in-store deals, show the barcode or voucher to the staff and they will redeem it for you. And for the online deals, copy the redemption code. This is on the merchant website at checkout, not on Groupon itself. For the product deals, often no code is needed. Groupon processes shipping automatically. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.